Hello guys, this is John from FINEIGHT. Today is Wednesday, 27th of May, and today I wasn't trading during the day because I was busy doing other stuff. Today, as I looked at the chart, was quite interesting, and I would like to share with you how I look at the chart. What am I looking for? What entries I use for my trading? Where do I put my stop losses, targets, and so on? So let's try to go through today's session. Look for possible entries, possible exits, and take a look at the trading in general. I usually start my day looking at the higher time frame. This is a 4-hour chart, so we can see in the last few days the market is in a strong uptrend. We've broken this triple high, as I mentioned in previous video last week, and my expectation was for the market to go at least around here. Here is quite a strong resistance. So here the price may stop for a while. Yesterday was quite a lazy day. Market wasn't moving very much, but today's open was a little bit higher than the high of the previous session. I usually take a look at 5-minute chart. I also use 30 minutes and sometimes 15 minutes for my trading, but the entries I'm looking for at 5-minute chart. So what happened during the morning? I usually start looking at the chart at the open or a little bit after, so after 9 a.m. And today at 9 a.m. there's a very nice situation. As we can see, market opened above yesterday's high. You can see double top actually. Retraced back to this zone, to this area, and at open at 9 o'clock, it made a pin bar. So nice rejection on the strong support level. So this would be very nice entry for long. I put my stop loss usually a little bit below the pin bar, not just like one tick, but few ticks. So I don't know if this kicked me out or I would have stayed in the trade. But usually, let's say it kicks me out. It was few ticks under the lowest pin bar. So let's say the market kicked me out here. And usually, when the market kicks me like few ticks around my stop loss and then starts to go in my direction, I put another order at the level of the entry again, and if it gets filled, I put the stop loss at the original area, because sometimes in intraday trading there might be a stop run when large players play the market and run for stop losses for small traders. That's the reason why I don't put stop loss like one tick below the pin bar, but few more. But even if this kicked me out, I would like to go re-enter around here, so right on this bar at 9.25, and I usually place my profit target with risk reward 2-1, or sorry, 1-2. So one stop loss and 2 times the profit target, so around here. What was happening next in the market? The market broke today's high, and we can see the break is on very high volume. The price closes above the high, and so we can consider that the breakout is valid. The market then for like an hour maybe moves sideways. We can see all these bars are inside this break bar, this one. When this happens, I don't care what's happening in the market before it breaks the low or the high of the candle, because all this activity is within this bar. So before it breaks high or low of this bar, I'm not interested in it anymore. We can see the breakout appeared right here. The market continued up, so around here I would be closing the position with risk reward 1 to 2. So even if this would have been a loss, I should have had some profit by this time. We can see this rose hook. This was a very nice opportunity to enter another long. We can see the market make a correction and then break the rose hook. One interesting thing: why is this rose hook and why this isn't rose hook? It's still because these bars are inside of the break bar of this one. Here we can see there is a full correction. The market made lower low for several times, but not here. No lower low than this one. So this is a valid correction, valid rose hook for me. So here on this bar on breakout, there would be another long entry with stop loss few ticks below this swing low. This trade probably wouldn't give 1 to 2 profit target. So I would probably be closing maybe on break even, maybe somewhere here on this bar. Not sure. We can see the market went sideways for quite a long time during the noon and before the U.S. session starts. But it's very interesting. If we take a look at this range, the price went sideways. Then there was a breakout. Actually, again, quite a nice volume. So the breakout seemed to be valid, but for another few hours, the market was unable to continue higher. We can see several attempts to continue higher, but all was rejected. Here we can see the market start to collapse, and there is a very nice 1 to 3 pattern here. You can find many 1 to 3 patterns on the chart, but why this wasn't? We can see 1, 2, 3. Why this one wasn't valid for me, and why this was? Well, because this one is within the trading range, but this one we can see a rally down on this bar. We broke from the trading range, made a correction, and once we break this low, we are actually breaking the lower edge of this trading range as well. So the entry here on the breakout would have been quite a nice short. We can see that the price got lower. This we get here another rose hook. This one really doesn't look so nice because the retracement is very big. Here, this is a healthy rose hook. The retracement is like 20% of this movement, maybe not even that. But here we've got like 50% retracement of this movement. Okay, it retraced almost at my entry point. So this rose hook would have been very risky for me. Actually, there is quite a nice opportunity to the long side, because what happened here on this pin bar is false breakout. We can see that the price broke this swing low, but immediately got rejected and pin bar appeared on the chart. So this would be a very nice long signal for me. And again, just like in the morning, if I would have went long here, I would have got stopped around here, and I would have had to reopen the position, re-enter the market around here. So by this time, I would be like 1 to 1 profit target. Hopefully, the market might go a little bit higher. There we can see actually something like head and shoulders here. Maybe if we draw this is like one shoulder. There is head, Another shoulder is a little bit, it's not perfect, but the, yeah, something like this. Something like this, head and shoulders, we can see the rejection of lower prices. The price is trying to go higher. So so this position I re-entered here would have been nice, I think. Uh, well, it's very easy, as you know, to trade like this, to see the chart and say I would have entered here and stopped here and something like this. But you have to follow your rules. You have to have a trading plan. You have to test it. You have to know where you put your stop losses. You have to know if you want to re-enter the position, where would you put your profit target, what signals you want to take and what you don't take. And actually this was a very nice trading day. Not all days are as good as this one. This would have brought me very nice signals, but often you have to wait for the opportunity to enter the market. I hope you find this video interesting, maybe a little bit helpful for you. I will soon give you a recap of my previous trading sessions, and I will be looking forward to you soon. So take care, guys.